Hi, I'm Stuart Reynolds. I'm the convener of Science Talks at the BRLSI. I'd like to tell you about a great talk that we're going to host at Queen Square in Bath and also online on Thursday, the 13th of November. It's all about the shapes of cells. Your body is made of cells that are grouped into tissues and organs. The image behind me right now is an image of a cell. The different colours represent different cell components involved in determining its 3D shape. Modern imaging techniques like this can tell us a great deal about cell shape and how it changes in health and disease. Within each tissue, there are just a few different types of cells that cooperate to perform a particular function. Although every cell has a full set of instructions in its own DNA, enough to construct a whole new human, during development, individual cells become more and more specialized by activating a particular set of genes. Healthy cells respond to biochemical and mechanical signals from neighbouring cells by adopting particular shapes. Different environmental signals also prevent cells from proliferating uncontrollably. Cancer is what happens when the genes involved in these responses become mutated. The affected cells now change their shape, they multiply and they spread to different parts of the body. New research by Professor Chris Bakal from the Institute of Cancer Research in London is revealing links between shape change and proliferation in cancer cells, and he's coming to BRLSI to tell us all about it. For example, a melanoma cell's ability to change shape is the crucial factor in its ability to spread. Taking on many shapes, the cells can squeeze through tissues and find their way into places where they shouldn't naturally be. They use a complex system of adhesion molecules on their surfaces to move around. It's a bit like Velcro. The cells stick to other Velcro-like molecules on other cells. Identifying the genes and the proteins involved in this kind of cell shape change could, in the future, lead to novel treatments for cancer. Outside his work, by the way, Professor Bakal is a former world-ranked downhill ski racer who's also run a mile in 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Wow, it looks like Chris is good at everything. He's going to be talking at BRLSI in person with lots of amazing pictures of cell shapes. Come along and meet Chris at BRLSI on the 13th of November. Check out the details at the BRLSI website, and I'll see you there.